Respect is one of the most powerful social currencies in human behavior. Without it, people ignore your opinions, they interrupt you, they underestimate your abilities. But when someone truly respects you, they listen carefully, they value your words, and they treat you differently. Most people believe respect must be earned slowly over time, but psychology reveals something interesting. Humans form impressions about authority, confidence, and respect within seconds of meeting someone. These impressions are based on subtle psychological signals, signals that most people send unconsciously. But once you understand these signals, you can influence how people perceive you almost instantly. 1. Control your body language. Before you say a single word, your body already speaks for you. Psychologists estimate that a large portion of first impressions comes from nonverbal communication. People naturally associate certain body signals with confidence and authority. Standing straight, relaxed shoulders, steady eye contact, slow, deliberate movements. These signals communicate emotional stability. When someone appears calm and composed, the brain interprets them as someone who is in control, and humans instinctively respect people who appear in control. On the other hand, nervous movements, avoiding eye contact, or shrinking posture send the opposite message. They signal uncertainty, and uncertainty reduces perceived authority. 2. Speak less, but speak clearly. Many people believe talking more makes them appear smarter or more important, but the opposite is often true. People who constantly talk tend to appear as if they are trying too hard to prove themselves. Psychologically, individuals who speak less but with intention are often perceived as more confident. When you pause before speaking, when your words are calm and measured, people subconsciously assume that what you say carries value. Silence can be powerful because it creates attention, and attention increases respect.
3. Set boundaries early. Respect disappears quickly when people believe they can ignore your boundaries. Psychologically, people test limits, often without realizing it. They interrupt. They make small jokes at your expense. They ask for favors repeatedly. If these behaviors are never challenged, the brain interprets this as permission. But when someone calmly sets boundaries early, it changes the dynamic. Not through aggression, but through clarity. For example, calmly saying, "I'd prefer if we spoke respectfully," or "I'm not comfortable with that." This signals that you value yourself, and people tend to respect individuals who respect themselves. 4. Stay emotionally controlled. One of the fastest ways to lose respect is losing emotional control. When someone becomes overly reactive, angry, or defensive, they appear unstable. But when a person remains calm, even under pressure, something interesting happens. Others begin to see them as emotionally strong. Calm individuals appear harder to manipulate, and people naturally respect those who seem difficult to shake emotionally. The quieter and calmer you remain in tense situations, the more authority you project. 5. Use the power of eye contact. Eye contact is one of the strongest psychological signals of confidence. When someone avoids eye contact, it can create the impression that they feel insecure or unsure. But balanced, steady eye contact communicates presence and self-assurance. It tells the other person that you are engaged and attentive. However, the key is balance. Too little eye contact appears timid. Too much can feel aggressive.
But natural, steady eye contact signals social confidence, and confidence naturally commands respect. Avoid seeking approval. One hidden behavior that reduces respect is constantly seeking validation. When someone frequently asks questions like, "Was that okay? Do you agree with me? Is that all right with you?" it can signal uncertainty. People who constantly seek approval often appear unsure of their own value. But individuals who confidently express their opinions without needing immediate validation are perceived differently. They appear self-assured, and self-assurance attracts respect. Be comfortable with silence. Many people feel uncomfortable during moments of silence in conversation, so they rush to fill the space with unnecessary words. But silence can actually be a powerful psychological tool. Confident individuals are comfortable with pauses. They allow conversations to breathe. This calm patience signals that they are not desperate for attention or approval. And paradoxically, this often makes others pay closer attention. Final insight. Respect is rarely demanded, and it cannot be forced, but it is strongly influenced by the signals you send every day. Your posture, your tone of voice, your emotional control, your boundaries. These subtle psychological cues shape how others perceive you. The truth is, people decide how much they respect someone much faster than we realize, often within the first few moments of interaction. But once you understand these hidden social signals, you can completely change the way people respond to you. Outro. Human behavior is filled with hidden psychological patterns, and understanding them can transform the way we interact with others. If you're interested in learning more about psychology, human behavior, and the hidden dynamics of the mind, subscribe to Nigerian Insights. Because sometimes the most powerful influence isn't loud or obvious. Sometimes it's completely silent.